Sky Vibes.
Our journey begins in the gentle cradle of Lathkill Dale. There is a specific stillness here. The sound of water over limestone, a soft English light filtering through the canopy. It's a place where time seems to slow, inviting us to simply drift with the current. As we rise toward Bonsall, the mood shifts. St. James's Church stands as a lonely sentinel above the village, weathered by centuries of wind and prayer. You see the isolation of the stones against the vast, rolling hills. There's a beautiful sadness in its endurance, a quiet reminder of all the lives that have passed beneath its shadow. We descend again into the heart of the Dales, reaching the familiar stones of Dovedale. This is the Peak District at its most iconic, a rhythmic crossing between the towering limestone crags, where the landscape feels both ancient and alive. Emerging from the Dales, we look down upon the village of Castleton, nestled in the valley's embrace. But the path leads us higher, into the sheer, breathtaking gateway of Winnats Pass. Here, near the mouth of the Earth's hidden caves, the limestone ridges soar above us, a testament to the raw power of the natural world. If these cinematic vistas brought you a moment of peace, please consider hitting the like button and subscribing to Sky Vibes. It helps the channel grow and ensures you won't miss our next journey. For more hidden gems and dramatic landscapes, be sure to click the video card on your screen to see our previous exploration.